Okay, let's start over. This is Sheila. Welcome to the Painted Pig Studio YouTube channel. Okay, so I'm starting a new journal. Can you tell what color it's going to be? And I apologize if that's a little too close, but I just had something of a fiasco trying to fix this. So, here we go. Alright, so I did dye some papers with a mixture of Kool-Aid and food coloring. Oh, wow, that one got wild. So, I think it's going to be nifty. It's going to be nifty. We're going to have to see how all this comes together. And I've got some scrapbook papers as well, all with the purple thing. Now, I don't know if you know about Happiness and Crafting. It's a Facebook group, and it was founded by G. Kerr. That is G-I Kerr, K-E-R-R. She's very creative lady, very creative, and she has an Etsy shop where she sells digitals, and she had these shabby chic purple digital kit thing, whatever. And so I said, well, you know, why not? This is not really my style, but it can be the style of this journal, you know. So here are some things that I made for it already. This is a hidden paper clip, and there you go. So there we go. Sorry about that. Sorry about the throat clearing. Okay, can I get all that in there? Sure. Turn this over so we'll have a white background to see it on. There we go. Isn't that sweet? And I know I sound southern. I know I do. But I think that's very sweet. I was quite proud of that. And the other side, that's a Tim Holtz flower. I know that. And a word that's from his little chatty words, whatever. And when it's on the paper, I guess I should have done, sorry, it won't be this hard to do, I promise you. But what it is that it's got the little dangle on this side, and it's got the little dream banner on that one. So that's what I want to show you. So there you go. I think it's pretty doggone snazzy on this side too. I like that. Okay, so I made one of these. It's I stamped an existing card from Tim Holtz collection, I'm sure. Well, I'm not sure. I'm positive. And do you know that tape that you can get, that cloth tape, like medical tape, with that? I sprayed some mist on it and stamped it. It's just so sweet. So this, I think, turned out pretty well. And I just happened to have a little purple clothespin. So that's going to go and do that. All right, now, this is G. Kerr's from her digital kit. And all I did was, they were separate, and I glued them on a folded piece. And I'm sure you've seen people do those hidden paper clips, but I just love them. I really do. Well, that's kind of busy, but let's see. Let's just turn it over. And I just embellished it with some, and I just said it a minute ago. It's Ranger. They're liquid pearl things or whatever. So it seems like I have a lot of Ranger supplies. And I buy most everything off Amazon because, I mean, we've got a Michael's and a Hobby Lobby and a Joann's, but I don't get out much. I just find it more convenient to shop at home, and I can find more likely to find what I'm looking for than the stores, because yeah, just am more likely to find what I want. So, and I just left it blank on the back for journaling. I have another little jar. I used my punch board, my memory keepers punch board. We are memory keepers punch board. And I don't know if any of you folks have one, but if you do, it will do this. And it's fun. So, dressed it up, and it's a tag. This is Kerr's digital also that I've just embellished a little bit. And this is a library card that was, I think that's what it is anyway, in some ephemera that the free printable thing. Just embellished with some Tim Holtz, some lace, and a little stamping on muslin. And this was from a different kit. I don't remember. That Porch Prince maybe. But see, it's going to be an envelope. And I think not that, but this is going to go in it. I do believe. I like that combo. So, yeah. And another mate. So, forget the arms moving around. So, another digital printout. And I put some lace and some of those liquid pearl thingies. And it looks like I got into them a little bit too early, which I'm prone to do, but I can fix it. I got a new dye. I got a great deal on this dye at Tuesday morning. I don't buy a lot of dyes because I have a silhouette, and I just feel like I should use it to, But I've had that, what's it called, Big Kick, since 2008 probably. So, every now and then, if I see a very cheap dye, I'll pick it up because it is kind of convenient just to pop it in and crank it, and then you're done. More Kerr, and I'm not sure exactly where this little fella came from, but I popped him on a circle, and I put a little flower and the word beautiful, because I think it kind of is. So, I think one more. This is just a little sweet tag. That's you know what that is? That is a stick-on flower, and it's almost like washi tape. It's very thin, but I'm finding I quite like that. So I'm sorry I'm not showing you how to do anything yet. I'm still working up to that, but I will make sure you get a progress update when, and possibly even a sort of craft with me video. We might try that out. I'm not sure. But here are my goodies so far. So, and I'm not gonna say I had any original ideas. I've seen someone at some point on YouTube doing all this stuff. So it's a great source for inspiration and for ideas. That'd be the same thing. Techniques, and there's a couple of Facebook groups tied to that I belong to that's tied to YouTube, and that's a great little community as well, where people can show their creations and talk about them. And it's just, and of course in Kerr's case, I mean, she does digital prints, and she has something called Freebie Friday, where every Friday she uploads free printable digitals that she has created, and most of the time she's got a video on her channel showing what she would do with those freebies. And so I've just found that I've just really enjoyed belonging to that group and watching a G's channel. So this video is dedicated to G. Kerr. I guess, because I've said her name a lot, but I do want her to get the credit. This is just scrapbook paper, but I do want her to get the credit for all her beautiful digitals that she has. And of course, digitals are very inexpensive to buy off Etsy as well. So to get, I might have paid $2 for that set of digitals, and then she's got free ones on her channel. So, hey, you know, why not use that? You can still use your own creative juices to make whatever. But as you can see, I've added a lot that I've just got in my stash. So, anyway, I wasn't going to say that either. Jeez. Okay. So, thank you very much for watching this video, especially if you managed to stay through the whole thing. I commend you for that. And hopefully, there will be more to come. So, I still plan on retiring soon, and I plan on doing a lot of crafting. And maybe even get back into some oil painting. I'm just really excited about that. So, you guys have a great day. It's Veterans Day today, and while I'm making this, so all you state employees, you Alabama state employees, I hope you're enjoying your day off like I am. So, you guys have a good one. Bye.